Search bar not working in Outlook, so let me show you how to fix this. Just go to your search option of your applications and search for control panel. Search for control panel. So once you open your control panel, you know you need to search something called index. So yeah, and just click on it. One, and go to advanced. You once you click on index, you go to advanced. Yeah, and then you could just go to in the settings of file type, and just you can you need to click in rebuild, you know and it will like take a little long time. Yeah, just click it and click on OK and wait for a few more. It will do a progress. Yeah, you know and after it's done, you can come back here and try searching it. Try searching anything in the search bar. It will automatically start working. And thanks for today. Please like and subscribe for future videos like this.